So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. And today we all are doing a group discussion on a topic that is cyber security. As you all know about cyber security, and it is so famous in nowadays. If I talk about, so let me start with my introduction. I am Tejal and I study in grade 6th. So let me start this group discussion. So cybersecurity is something we should keep the security in our internet. It is just kind of frauds that are done by the hackers, or it has been done by internet. Some frauds, some fraud calls come in our mobiles, and they tell that the money has came in our bank, so you just give the bank or give the OTP and these all things. So we should keep the security from these all things. As Tejal said about the calls, unknown calls. So yeah, it happens with so many people. The people have some unknown calls because there are group of some peoples. About 5 or 6 people, and they just like make some groups and decide and plan about hacking, and do and have some personal and private things, and not really private things. They also sometimes they call, they ask that you have won this lottery or loans or other things, so you have to give us OTP, or your means some passwords or other things. So if you will give them, so they will start the hacking and coding. So it's not good, and they also do misuse of AI.
There is two words I am listening: cyber crime and cyber security. Actually, cyber security is a positive word, and cyber crime is a negative word. Okay, so means sometimes we have cyber crimes means some other people's by some other persons, by some other companies and robots. I mean means any kind of machines. So there are lots of cyber crimes. So actually, cyber security is the positive outcomes. Just like we have a security features in our laptops, computers, mobile phones, and any devices we use right now. Okay, so can you means especially define the word cybercrime?
So, cybercrime means it's a crime which is done online, and it's a type of a fraud, and some fraud calls come to you which are not truth. And security is also means cyber security. With the help of it, you can identify them if they are real or they are just made for fake. Yeah, they are made for hacking someone. So cyber crime is also very, it's happening with a lot of people. In the cyber crime, it is done that so many calls come to people. Also some one call came to my mother. Then he told about a loan or lottery. So my mother denied him. After that, we got to know that it's fake.
So yes, I am agree with her as she said. So the cyber crime is like that, some fraud. So as sir said, it is negative word. Like cyber security helps to secure our private things and our private knowledge, and cyber crime is just opposite to cyber security. In this, some things are happened, like some calls and some things that in online apps we see that some things which are buy. So some people call and say that it is there is a sale on that thing, and we have to transfer some money and they will deliver that, but it is fraud. So have to we have to take information, and cyber security helps to know this.
So cybercrime is going on in many ways, and it's not going on a one purpose. It's divided in many things like cyber grooming and screen sharing and etc. So in cyber grooming nowadays, every children is having their own account on Insta, Facebook, and such social media platforms. So they are small children, so they don't know that how we can protect us from such kind of cyber crime. So many cyber criminals message them, and they started befriending with them, and they slowly and slowly started grooming them, and they starts sending them embarrassing message, and they also hack their accounts, and they get many embarrassing photos from their accounts, and they start sharing it. And many children has also been a part of this, and so for that we should not allow to use social media platform for childrens, because they are very small, and when they becomes that much young old to know what is a cybercrime and how we can protect from them, then only we should allow them to use social media platforms. And if we are the victim of cyber crimes, we can also complain at a cyber police station, which is in Gwalior nearby Bhitarwar. So we can complain to our nearby cyber police stations, and we can get free from them. So that for that we can also install many apps to be safe from these kind of cyber frauds. Like we can download Truecaller, so that if any kind of fake cyber crime call will come, so we can identify that this is cyber that this is a cyber criminal, and I can save myself from him. And if he is trying to make us fool, and he said that I am not a cyber criminal, I am an accountant or something else, and I am saying the truth that you have won this much rupees in this in the lottery, and you can take it by entering these information about you. So these are some ways which are going on in our daily life. Thank you.
Hello, I am Krishna, and firstly, I am telling you what is cyber security. Cyber security. A cyber security is a critical field that focuses on protecting computer network and data from unauthorized access and cyber attacks and data. And we know that in the market there are some cyber hackers, and they make a trap to stuck and they make a trap like they the online platform, they give a notification to a jackpot, and some people stuck them, and they will they t- call them they call us, and they speak मतलब jackpot your account jackpot, and that's all.
Yes, I agree with all of the girls, and I want to say that the cyber crime was done by the cyber thieves by the help of the software, and it hacks the victim's mobile or software, and delete all the important data, and hack the account, and call him for rupees, and if we have a strong lock, so no one can hack our mobile and our account.
So good evening, I am Divyan Sawant. So today's group discussion topic is cyber security. So cyber security are the protection of data connected device, and why the hackers, malicious attack by hackers, scammers, etc. Because it is also dangerous for in present time, and it is protected by the companies of the India, and many cyber police station is also available in India, so that helps us if and many people do this wrong things, and cyber criminal is also. So if we have to save, So we have to complain cyber criminal, cyber police stations, so they help us.
Okay. So my next question is that actually how can be aware from this cyber frauds and cyber criminals by people?
uh, we can be aware from these frauds by on the true caller. If any of the call is a spam, so it shows that it is a fraud, so we should not pick up that call. As in so many apps we can find as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, these are so popular social media platforms. So on WhatsApp we can find some security options. As we want to hide our profile, so we can hide I found that so many people allow everyone to see their account and everything, but some of the hackers and people saw the profile and use a negative do the negative work with that, and they do the fraud with that people. And if I talk about Instagram, so there is a option of private account, so we can hide our personal things on that. So it depends on us. If we are following the cyber security, so it will help us and to save our things in internet.
As Tejal said about the security and taking care when we are doing some things which can be dangerous, dangerous with us when we go ahead. So when it is very important to take care and follow cyber security rules, just like it's also in our course books that when our chapters just like about cyber security, cyber crimes. So in that it is also told about the hurting anyone. They as Tejal said about the private account option in Instagram, so we should do that. If they will send us request only, then only if we will accept it, then only they will be able to see our profile. So if we have a doubt, and we as in our books is also told that we have to keep a very strong password for the our for our protection and many things. And because the hacking is only done because of thinking, the people think many things. Just like some people do that, they only set the password according to their just like their phone numbers. They sometimes they do just like 1 2 3, it's means sequence passwords. So it is not that much good. We should make a more strong password. And we just like it's also a thing when some people come, some delivery person, or some people who do they give us parcel when although we have not purchased anything, and they say that it is your parcel and you have to pay the money now on cash on delivery. When we say that it's not our parcel, they say you will have a OTP you can give us for cancelling, and we will cancel the order, and your order will be cancelled. When we do that, first of all, before the giving the OTP, first we should have the parcel, see it, and see all the informations. If it is right, so then only we can give OTP. And we should purchase things from a trusted and rated, top rated apps, not just like Adivasi hair oil was in trend. People make 100+ accounts of that. So some people are doing fraud today also about it.
So yes, I am agree with them. As how can we aware from this fraud? So we can, as Tejal said, we can download the app Truecaller, because it helps to know the number and name and identity of the person who calls us. If we get some unknown call, so we can find who is this and what is his and her identity. And as she said, we have to take and tough lock in our phone and in our private data. And that's on that thing we can private our things and take care of our things. Like if we if we have our private things, like some things which are very private, and we have to secure it, so we can use that thing and private that thing.
So as Manvi and Christy said that we should put a strong password so that we can be safe from the cyber crimes and from the public abuse also. So yes, I agree with them both. And from my side, we should create if we want to share our personal things on the social media platforms such as Instagram, so we can use our personal account. But if we are sharing something which is very personal on the public account, so it can be used by someone who is like a cyber criminal, so he can use that personal information, and he can do such of messages that I will share this information with your relatives, with your friends, and sometimes they share the personal information with the unknown persons also. And if they uh, if they hack our phones, so they started taking all the informations out, and this just started sending the information to anyone without thinking. And if we get and when we get to know that our personal things are getting read, so we very embarrassed. Sometimes many people get suicidal because of this. So, for that we should install many apps in our phone. As Tejal said, we can install Truecaller, know aware of the fake calls and the spam calls also. If we know that this call is can harm us, so we will be ready to fight against it. And if we are picking up that call, so we will be aware that this is a cyber criminal. I can not share anything personal with him. Many times they do many tricks, like in my class I studied that there is one more spam which is screen sharing. In this, the cyber criminal asked you that you don't need to share any of your personal information with me, just tell me your name, your some of the information about your social media platforms, and you have to install this app in your phone, which is a screen. And then what happened, your screen will be started sharing with them, and they will be getting all the information you are transporting to others, and you are all whatever you are watching in the phone, they will be able to see that. So for that we should aware that we cannot install any other app which is asked to download by a stranger. If we know that person that this is my relative or friend, so you can trust them. But sometimes they also get but sometimes we also get some phone calls at the by the name of our relatives or friend, that I am this and you have to send me, can you send me this much rupees. So of course sometime of course we will say that yes, you are my friend, I can send you. But sometimes what happened, they hacked their phones also, and started bagging some cash from you. So for that you can install the Truecaller app, and it's very important to know how can to know the spam calls and the cyber criminals also. Thank you.
But sometimes we know nowadays the technology are very advanced, and sometimes we install a third party app and illegal app in our install in our phone. So our phone are alert to us, this is third party app and wrong application you install to this application. And but we can't see that, sometimes we can't see that, and in some hours, few hours, the hacker are hacked to our phone, and they blackmail to us, give 10,000 rupees for this, and they leak our personal photos and personal information to social media, and social media and other platforms. And in this situation we know that we inform to the cyber security, but most of the people do not aware to this, and uh, they don't inform to the police station and cyber security office. That's
Yes, I agree with you, and I have a good solution that if we are stuck in a hacking or something else, so first we have to tell to our parents that they can solve our problems and make free in it.
So cyber security divided into many parts like network security, data security, IoT security, application security, and zero trust. And we have some disadvantages also, like internet saving from hackers, saving our personal business reputation, etc. And we have also disadvantages like it can be not affordable everyone, and it can be risky, and it can be not use everyone, like if like many person stuck this problem and they didn't tell me any person because they scared. So that's not good for everyone. That's all my.
Yes, means you all are good. Actually, just cyber security is very much important in today's world. In 21st century, we are facing so many problems, and so many problems we are already faced till yet. So actually, we have one solution is that actually we have to means teach the people means what is the meaning of cyber security, means how can we save ourselves from this kind of frauds. Okay, so just you have to conclude this topic in Tejal. You will conclude this topic.
So in conclusion, I would like to say that we should be aware about the cyber security, and we are learning in our school and in our classes that we must do keep the security. If we are just watching something on YouTube or anything, so we should be aware about that. If it is good, so we should watch that, and if it is it gives you some negative effect, so we should not watch anything related to that, and we should give the information related to us to our parents, so it will be good for us also. And now I would like to conclude this. So if you like this our video, so just like our video and subscribe our channel.